For those battling asthma and allergies, the Wi-Fi air quality sensor is a smart ally in the quest for cleaner air. This innovative device offers real-time monitoring of air quality, providing essential data to help sensitive individuals manage their environment and health more effectively. Designed for sensitive needs, the sensor is engineered to detect common asthma and allergy triggers such as PM2.5, pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Its precision sensors deliver accurate readings, enabling users to stay one step ahead of potential flare-ups by understanding their environment better. Immediate alerts for swift action. With Wi-Fi connectivity, the sensor sends real-time alerts to your smartphone when it detects an increase in pollutants or allergens. This immediate notification system is crucial for those with asthma and allergies, allowing them to adjust their environment quickly and avoid exposure to triggers. Seamless integration for smart living. The sensor integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, enabling automated control of air purifiers, humidifiers, and ventilation. This smart integration offers a hands-free way to manage air quality, ensuring a healthier living space without constant manual adjustments. User-friendly app for convenient monitoring. The companion app is designed with simplicity in mind, offering a clear dashboard for monitoring air quality, setting alerts, and controlling connected devices. It provides real-time updates and historical data, empowering users to make informed decisions about their environment. Effortless setup and maintenance. Setting up the Wi-Fi air quality sensor is a breeze, with quick Wi-Fi connection and minimal maintenance requirements. The app guides you through any necessary upkeep, ensuring the device operates smoothly and effectively, a breath of relief for sensitive individuals. By offering real-time monitoring and alerts, the Wi-Fi air quality sensor helps asthma and allergy sufferers breathe easier. It's a smart investment in health and comfort, providing peace of mind and the power to proactively manage sensitive conditions. For those eager to explore how this Wi-Fi air quality sensor can enhance their living environment, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll be sure to respond within 24 hours with all the details you need. Let's make every breath a comfortable one.